Hello, and welcome to the Harmonagon project, where we are sharing the knowledge of music with anyone, anywhere, for free. The Harmonagon is a new app that demonstrates music theory using simple geometric shapes that you create by clicking or tapping on numbered buttons around the circle. The Harmonagon resembles a traditional clock face. The only difference is our use of the number 0 instead of 12 at the top. The numbers 0 through 11 identify notes according to their distance in half steps from the root. The notes are also labeled with letter names. For ease of use, the button console is in the center of the Harmonagon. Clicking the middle will show or hide the buttons. To make a chord, first click Make Chord. Then select some notes, C, E, G, and B flat or A sharp, and then click Enter. And there, the Harmonagon has constructed a C7 chord. The results are displayed on the right with the chord name, the musical notation, and a brief description. The Harmonagon notates and plays chords first as an arpeggio, ascending and descending one octave, and then as a full chord in root position. Let's play this chord again, but at a slower tempo. As the chord plays this time, observe its construction as each interval winds around the circle, ending with a polygon that is unique to dominant seventh chords. Whenever a chord or scale is created on the Harmonagon, lines connect the notes. In this case, a green line connects the notes C and E, a blue line connects the E and G, a red line connects the G and B flat or A sharp, and a yellow line connects the B flat and C up one octave. The color-coded lines represent the intervals used to build the chord. You will also notice a set of arcs around the circle. These arcs are provided to assist in counting the number of steps that make up each interval. Don't worry right now if you do not understand some of these terms. We will explain notes, steps, intervals, arpeggios, chords, and scales in subsequent videos. After changing the tempo, I'll clear the Harmonagon so we can make a scale. First click Make Scale. Then select some notes, say C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat, and then click Enter. Here we've created a C Dorian scale, and you can see the results with the scale name, the notation ascending and descending, and a brief description of the scale. Again, observe the lines and the arcs that identify the steps that make up the scale. And notice the polygon, or in this case the heptagon, that is unique to the Dorian scale. The Harmonagon captures the first note you select. To demonstrate this, I'll make another chord. This time using the notes D, F sharp, A, and B. As you can see, by choosing D as the first note, the Harmonagon created a D major sixth chord. Whereas, if I select the note B first, and then select the same four notes, the Harmonagon instead returns a B minor seventh chord. These two chords are made of the same four notes, but the root is used to determine the chord quality. The Harmonagon recognizes more than 2,500 chords and scales, so try any combination of notes you like. There's no way to break the Harmonagon, so just have fun and play around with it. If the combination of notes you enter does not match any recognized chord or scale, the Harmonagon will return undefined. As you can see here, this chord is undefined. The Learn menu includes an extensive library of chords and scales that are organized in categories. For example, I'll select a major 7 sharp 5. And here you can see the Harmonagon has constructed and played the chord with C as the default root. On the right, as always, you'll find the chord name, the musical notation, and a brief description. Now I'll select a scale, the Chromatic Scale. Virtually anyone can use the Harmonagon. It is designed for all ages and levels. The Harmonagon is compatible with any instrument or style of music. It is completely unbiased, so you can make it your own. Please watch our video using the Harmonagon for a more comprehensive demonstration and detailed overview of features. Until then, have a great day.